H2Go Kids presents Lead Safe Prince William. Did you know there are thousands of miles of pipes underground in Prince William County? All kinds of pipes, from water to wastewater to gas, made of different materials to carry different things. Prince William Water is responsible for maintaining 2,500 miles of pipeline to make sure there is a safe and reliable water and sewer service across Prince William County. But why are pipes so important? And how do we make sure they work properly? The very first water pipes were made of large trees that were hollowed out and connected together. Over time, people started using stronger materials that lasted longer than wood, like iron, copper, and lead. Wait a second, did you say lead? You may have heard of lead before. Lead is a metal that was once used to make toys, paint, makeup, pipes, and more. People eventually realized any amount of lead can be dangerous. Even small amounts can cause damage to our brains, bodies, and environment. Now there are people all over the world dedicated to solving the problems that lead created and looking for new ways to make sure everyone is safe and healthy. Prince William Water has spent time checking our water service lines to make sure they are lead-free and safe for use. Pipes inside your home on the customer side of the water meter belong to you and cannot be checked without your help. By checking the water lines in your home, you can help us make sure we have a lead-safe Prince William County. Ask an adult for help and follow this step-by-step guide to check the pipes in your home. Step 1. With an adult, locate visible water pipes in your home. The closer to your main water valve, the better. Step 2. Grab a flathead screwdriver or a key and a magnet if you have one available. Step 3. Use the screwdriver or key to lightly scrape the pipe. Plastic pipes are easy to spot and will not scratch the same way a metal pipe will. Iron pipes are not easily scratched but will stick to a magnet. A copper pipe is non-magnetic, and any scratch with a screwdriver will be the color of a copper penny. A lead pipe will scratch easily and leave a shiny or silver line where scraped. Lead pipes are also not magnetic. To search for your home on our lead-safe Prince William inventory or to find more information about testing your water pipes, visit princewilliamwater.org/leadsafeprince William.